the start.
Caution B.
Okay, here we go. So this is what I've been doing. Driver side mount, well, bracket done. Nissan D13 Sentra mount. Did a custom bracket here. Still working on this to shape it up and get it looking pretty and neat. Should get the water pump housing this week. Here I'm using original demio mount with a custom bracket. So next is the back mount, which I'm going to do this week. A lot of clearance for the turbo. Nah. So this is where we're at. This is where we're at. Finally off the blocks. Can you see there? Off the blocks. Next, after doing the back mount, is the axle. Still need to get some more clearance here. But otherwise I'm done. Axles. Then I'm gonna start fixing up the wire loom so I can install it. Then shift the mounts. Then gas pedal and setting up the clutch. Need to set up this. A lot of more work to do, but closer and closer every day, so I have to give thanks. This is where we at. Demio 2.0. You know what I mean? Oh, forgot to show you my wheels. So this is me now. Just by the car, getting it. You know, did a little clean up here, but you know, wheels looking beautiful. Well, not really beautiful, but you know, I'm getting there. Getting there. Custom bracket firm. You know, as I said, I'm gonna shape up this properly, round it up and cut off the excess amount. Yeah, look at these wells. I'm sorry I didn't take. Yeah, oh, I can see the wells there. Look at those. Getting better every day. Look at those, man. Look at those wells. Bracket firm. Adapt update, all good. Can't wait to finish. Can't wait to finish. A lot of people gonna shock when they see this on the road. A lot of persons gonna be shocked. So stay tuned for more info on the Demio 2.0. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, or should I say like and subscribe, share. You know, if you have comments, you can comment down. Woo! Woo! Damn. So much space. So much space. Fit like a glove. this now.